a little beach girl? Are you gonna be a little beach girl? Little beach comber? Are you gonna be a little beach comber?
Poopa.
Where's Mama?
Hi, sweetie.
Poopa, where's Mama?
Can you guys turn over here
Where's
for
Mama?
a photo?
Where's Mama? Who's that? Look over there. Look, Mama. Look at Mama.
Aww.
Look at
Poopa.
Mama.
Nope. All her attention's on Papa.
Look at Mama.
She's okay.
Want a nice tea? Anybody want a nice tea?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. Yeah, Uncle Tony.
I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, because it'll make me want to go pee. I'm fine, thank you.
That's what the water's
Poopa.
So salty.
Hello.
I haven't been in ocean water in such a long time. I think I'm like you.
Oh yeah.
You're so cute. Poopa.
Look at Mama. Where's Mama? Poopa, where's Mama? Where's Mama?
Baby's first day at the beach. In the ocean. It's your first time at the ocean too, huh?
Me?
Yeah?
No, the kids.
The kids? Okay.
Kids,
Okay. Jack's Beach.
Robert keeps saying he's not going in, but he keeps getting deeper and deeper in that water. He got the bottom of his shorts all wet. I said, Robert, I thought you were going in. He said, I'm not. I'm like, well, you got a foot of the way in there.
Might as well go in
Might as
completely.
well go in.
Oh, little
Some
girl.
point.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
We gotta exfoliate